it's Cass. Welcome back. Before I show you the bag I've been carrying, I have a couple of unboxings to do here. I'm super excited about these. Well, I mean, I'm super excited about any new bag that I get. But anyway, these feel a little special to me because they're colors that have either gone away or barely on the site anymore. So this first one is from Joanne. So Joanne, thank you for selling this bag. I'm super excited to see it. It's in Oxblood. I didn't even know until last week that Oxblood used to be a Portland Leather Goods color. And as soon as I found that out, I was like, oh, I have to get something in that color. And in the same day, somebody had put, she had put this bag up for sale on BST, and I felt like it was meant to be, because I didn't think, since it's been retired, I didn't think I would ever find that color. And I used to want something in Oxblood in another brand, but I gave up on that, and I'm so glad I didn't get it, because now I have this one. She's got a cute little card in here. That's really nice. Oh, how cute. Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you love this bag. I'm sure I will. I might just keep the little card with the bag too, because y'all know I love doing that. Oh, and she packaged it up really nice in case it got wet too. I like that a lot. This is gonna be a big one, y'all. Cute paper. Oh, that is a really pretty color. I like that a lot. Oh, it's so pretty. It's soft. It's still kind of cold because I just brought it in. That is so pretty. That's a good bag to carry several different times of year too. What does it look like on the... Oh. The inside color is really pretty too. So this is, I think this is a medium tote. She had a medium and a large for sale, I think. Oh, that looks so good. I hope the light is really showing y'all what this color really looks like. Let's compare this to Cinnamon Bear. I'm just curious. This is Cinnamon Bear, and this is Oxblood. Oxblood is a little more red. Cinnamon Bear is a little more brown. I love that. They're so close, but still so different. I didn't realize they would be that close. But, still I'm glad I have both of them. That is so pretty. I can't stop saying it. Everything looks really good. Yeah, this is the same exact style of my Cinnamon Bear also. That handles bother me. I'm going to have to flip it out for a little while. I don't really smell the leather. So I don't know if she had it long enough that it just lost its scent. Or if this is a color that don't really smell much in the first place. Okay, now this one is kind of beat up. This is from Alina. So, thank you for selling this bag too. I'm so glad. And she packaged it up really well too. And this is in Red Panda. Red Panda is kind of going away too. Let's see if I can tear this open here. Oh, okay. It's tied. You might can find a couple little pieces in Red Panda, but not much. And so, when I found this one, I grabbed it too. Now, this is a Naomi. I already have one Naomi in Bacalar. Oh, that's a really pretty color too. I love that. It's kind of a brick red suede. So pretty. Let me get the handle out of here. There we go. So this is the large Naomi. She looks good. Feels really good. This is a good color to carry right now too. In summer and fall, like lots of times I'm thinking I can use this. Same on the inside as the outside. This is the first suede bag I've had. So, you know, this is a different feeling to me, but I love it. Like, I've heard that suede might kind of peel, but this don't feel like it's going to do that. We'll have to see. But I like the way the Naomi fits on me because it just sits under my arm really well, you know, and it just kind of shapes to my body. So I love that. Okay, now on to what's in my bag. Okay, this is the bag that I carried to church yesterday. I chose something larger so I could put my Bible in it. Then I went out and forgot my Bible anyway. But this is what I've been carrying. Yes, she has a couple of nicks and dings on her. She's the one that broke my fall when I stepped in a hole and fell in the parking lot. And so that's why she's a little scratched up, but I've already conditioned it and doesn't look quite as bad as it did. But I'm okay with it, you know, because I love a bag that has a story. And so, this is the classic Toad Cinnamon Bear. And I love Cinnamon Bear. I have ever since I started collecting Portland leather goods. And this is one of the first colors I loved, but I guess I was too busy getting other colors also, and that's why I never got Cinnamon Bear. Then it got hard to find, and so I had to find this one on Treat. I found it for a really good deal, so I grabbed it. It was, I don't know, like 60 something, I think. And so I think it was new too, because I don't usually buy bags in used condition unless it's something that I can wipe down real good. Okay, so enough of me running my mouth. I don't remember where this came from. I think this is from Shein or something. So y'all know there's this big old pocket out here, and there's also the big pocket inside. Yeah, I could fit way more in here, but it'd probably be so heavy that I couldn't carry it if I was carrying more. So I'm just going to start taking things out. So I've got my sidekick, and I'm just carrying my glasses and my sunglasses in here like I usually do. I got my gummy bear candy pouch, and I just attached a little gummy bear charm and a bear lip balm. But in here I've got some sugar-free Werthers, I've got my mints, I've got some chocolate, butterscotch. I think there's a protein bar in there too, and in case I wanted it while I was in church, but I didn't eat it. This is not the one from PLG. This is the one from Amazon. So, but I think it coordinates very well. And I think it is leather. Don't remember what this was called, but I just have my makeup in here. I have this cute little puffy mirror from my friend Steph, and I know she's gonna be watching, so hey Steph, I love it. It's so cute. I got the same stuff as usual, but I have a couple of different pieces in here that I can show you. Just, you know, normal stuff that I always carry. But I'm trying out a couple of different balms because I want to try to find a good replacement for the Dior Lip Glow balm. And I see lots of other glow balms out there. This is just a soft lips that has a shimmery pink hue to it. But anyway, so I've got this L'Oreal one. Really pretty packaging. It's kind of a rose gold, and I love that. Y'all know I love anything rose gold. This reminds me of a really old lipstick pencil that I had, and I'm hoping that it'll be a similar color. And then the other balm that I have is this one from MAC, and it's in a lavender color, so it gives you a little shimmer of a lavender hint, so I like that. Other than that, I just have the same things in here as usual. Well, some of you may have not seen this. This came from Walmart. It's Rimmel, I think, and it's a tinted balm, so that's pretty good too. It's not nearly that bright. It just gives your lips a hint of red, like you've been eating a popsicle or something. And this is my strawberry pound cake lip oil from Bath and Body Works. So I did end up telling you about just about everything that's in here after all, because I guess I have replaced some things. So okay, I love how floppy this is. It's just so comfortable. I have my sunset pouch attached to the key loop right here on the inside. It's kind of smushed right now because of all the stuff I've been putting in on it, but I put my AirPods in there, and a wet one. I need to put a few more in there, and my chapstick. So just stuff that I want easy access. I love the key loops for that reason. I don't even hang keys on them. I hang other stuff on there. I'm carrying my Sweetheart Cherry Mist. This seems like the appropriate time of year for this one. I love to mix this with pistachio scented stuff because this does have pistachio note in it. You know, so like there's an EOS pistachio, there was a Victoria's Secret pistachio gelato, there's the Sharosa 62, it has lots of pistachio. Then there's the Kayali Yum Pistachio Gelato that's kind of a deeper, more grown-up scent, and that pairs real well with this too. I have my Lysol. My lotion and chocolate strawberry. This is the wallet I'm carrying. This Supernova color goes so well with so many different shades that I've ever seen. Like, it gives you a good contrast, so I guess because it's a metallic that helps, but it kind of reflects different colors depending on what you have it with. But this is the Love Bug Plus. I like those a lot. And I have my Taco Tassel and Hot Pot. And I just have my bathroom stuff in here, and I just put pills and loose things and flossers in that little square containers. Those little small containers like that are good to keep for that reason, because you can reuse those for so many different things. If you hear noise in the background, it's my washer. It's always going. Let me try to close the door again. Okay, and I just have my keys. I like to keep them in something to protect my bag. So I just have other stuff on here. Here's my level and measuring tape and my tinted lip gloss and stuff. And then in the pocket, I have the usual stuff. Sometimes if I'm carrying a book or something, I like to slide it in back here, because this pocket goes nearly all the way down. So it just kind of holds it in the place right there. Oh, and I also had this water bottle. These little ones are good to keep in your bag too. I got this off Amazon, and I had that in there yesterday. But usual stuff in here too. I've got my little necklace. I like to keep my Kleenex in here in the mini envelope so they don't get torn up. I just have a little jewelry in my Dorito pouch. Excuse me. And other than that, I'm carrying the little heart that my husband gave me, and some little scissors, and my glass file. Once you use a glass file, there's no going back. Okay, so that's it. Let me set everything up. Alright, here we go. The only thing that I left out is my keys and my lotion and my candy pouch. I think it looks better this way. The sunset pouch clashes a little bit. It needs to be with more orange stuff, but oh well, it's okay. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all for being here and for watching. And I'll see you again later this week. Thanks. Bye.